Find with the rational common denominator the sum 1/2 to the negative half plus 3/2 to the negative 3/2 plus 5/2 to the negative 5/2. So the first step is 1/2 to the negative 1/2 is going to be the same thing as 2 to the 1/2, which is equal to root 2. And then same thing for 3/2. So that's going to be 3/2 to the negative 3/2 is the same thing as 2/3. And that's to the 3/2. So let's rewrite that as square root 2 over square root 3 to the third, yeah. And then that's equal to root 2 times, okay, root 2 times root 2 times root 2, and that's 2 root 2. So 2 root 2, and then it's going to be the same thing for 3. So it's going to be 3 root 3. And then the last one is, let's do the same thing for 5/2 to the negative 5/2. And so let's rewrite that as 2/5. And then that's to the 5/2. So let's rewrite that as square root 2 over square root 5, and that is raised to the 5th. So root 2 times root 2 times root 2 times root 2 times root 2 is going to be 4 root 2. Do you see? Because these cancel and then these cancel, so it's 2 times 2. So that's going to be equal to 4 root 2 all over, and then same thing for here. So let's follow the pattern. So it's going to be 25 root 5. So now we have to rationalize the denominator for all of these. So root 2 we don't need to, but for this we need to multiply by root 3. So 3 root 3 times root 3 is the same thing as 9. So we'll have 9 on the bottom, and then 2 root 6. So 2 root 6 over 9. Let's go here. So we have root 2, and then here we have 2 root 6 over 9, because it's, yes, 2 root 6 over 9. And then the last one is, let's multiply by root 5. Okay, so we have 4 root 10 over 25 times 5 is 125. So 4 root 10 over 125. 4 root 10 over 125. So all we need to do now is add these. So 9 times 25. So let's multiply that to get our denominator. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 2 is 18. Plus 2 is 22. 9 times 1 is 1 plus 2 is 11. So 1125 is our denominator. So everything will be over 1125. So root 2 is going to be multiplied by 1125 over 1125. So we have 1125 root 2. And then 1125. And then so this is going to be multiplied by 125 over 125. Do you see? Because 9 times 125 is 1125. So 2 times 125 is 250, so that'll be 250 root 6. We don't need to change the square root. And then for the last part, it'll just be multiplied by 9 over 9. So we'll have 36 root 10, and this is our final answer, 1125 root 2 plus 250 root 6 plus 36 root 10 all over all over 1125.